this tool that I hate, and we're gonna put Annihilate. I can't stand it. I hate it. I hate it with the bottom of my heart, but I do like having Annihilate on my tags. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all well and safe. Today is Tuesday tag, or Tag Tuesday. Tag Tuesday or Tuesday tag? Tag Tuesday, I think it sounds better. So today we're going to make some tags, and this week I'm going to showcase the Crazy Cards digital kit. It's one of my favorite. And I just want to say, actually, first of all, of course, thank you so much. The feedback from you guys have been outstanding. I have never ever hoped to get so many orders and so many wonderful feedback from you guys. It means the world to me. Honestly, I was absolutely delighted. So honestly, guys, thank you from the bottom of my heart. The Imperial Indigo, which is the paper, if you look on the website, the Imperial Indigo is my favorite kit. It's one of the first that I ever designed, but I love it. And I'm not very blue person. I don't really like blues. I'm more like into red, burgundy, gold, that sort of palette. Blue is a color that it's never really appealed to me. But as I was designing those paper, and I was like, actually, it's my favorite ever. And on my website, if you look at the products, there is a little tab on the top, and it's actually my favorite. And that kit is the best seller kit. The first very top bestseller kit. So thank you so much. Honestly, I was literally astonished every time I see an email with your order. It brings joy and happiness because it shows that you guys like what I do, and of course, you know, it supports us with our dream. So thank you. Today we're going to make some tags, and I'm just going to have a really easy chit chat video with you guys. I've not done a chit chat videos for a long time. So the base, in fact, before we crack on, let me show you the kit first. Okay, so Crazy Cards kit is at page 13 of the catalogue. So this kit includes 9 pages of circle playing cards. The code is CC001 and the price is £1.85. So with that you get 9 pages, and let me tell you, each card measures just over 3 inches diameters, which in centimeters is literally almost 8 centimeters. So why are they crazy? They're crazy because they're round. But we can do what we want with them. So you got all the cards. So you got the hearts, all different suits of the cards, and then you have a page, which is my favorite. A page with all the kings and 2 jokers. Okay, so we can do anything we want. Okay, so I cut the cards, and on here I've got some tissue. I already peeled the plies off, and this is the tissue paper. I hope it's gonna work, but I love this design. As you guys know me so well by now, I love anything that is floral. So I got this animal print as well. We're gonna do a bit of like Dolce & Gabbana card. Why not? Another with a traditional butterfly, of course, and this one. Now I have my hope very high for this one, because it's a gorgeous tissue and there is a bit of like dusty pink background. I'm hoping that that's gonna go, like you can see it on the card, because if not, I'm gonna complain with this tissue. Me and this tissue will have a serious one-to-one conversation. Right, let's do some napkin decoupage. Okay, ladies and gents, day 2, so following day. So they're fully dry. Let me show you one by one. So I've got the Fashionable King. This one is probably my favorite. And we got this with the tissue paper. The Queen and the Ace. In fact, like this. So it should be 6 in total. Have I missed anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With the 5, with the 6. Am I missing somebody? I thought there were 6. I don't know. Yeah, this craft room has got, I don't know. I'm sure there were 6. Well, in fact, yeah, there were 6. I thought I was going mad. Number 6, butterflies. Okay, so what am I going to do? Because as you can see, they're extremely flimsy. I'm going to use a piece of, this is from the Works, 12 by 12. I think it's 200, I want to say 220 GSM. So we're going to use this and I'm going to attach them and make them a bit stronger. Okay. So what I thought we would do, guys, and I don't want to do off camera because I don't want to be in a very long, unnecessary video. I've got this from the lovely Steph, Woolly Steph, who's got an amazing YouTube channel. She's my YouTube sister, big sister. Love it to bits. She gifted me this in a recent Happy Mail. She made these beautiful flowers using Tim Holtz dyes and her own paper. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the detail on the paper are incredible. So, and she put some gold. Oh, lovely. I think they're like either jelly print papers, but she's got a video. If I find it, I will link it down below. So we're going to put some of these flowers, and also we're going to put do you remember, guys, a while ago we did this super fun, I mean, it can't be any easier. We made these paper flowers using some scraps, some beads that I had in my stash, and a Stampin' Up punch. So we made 95,000 millions of those. So I thought we will use them today. Now, part of me, and let me show you, see what I mean. I think I should have prepared this before. Right, bear with me just 1 second. I've been to the gym this morning. I feel like 20 stones lighter already. No, I'm not. I was on the tram, and on my way back home I was thinking about this video that we were doing today, and I thought, actually, if I have to put this here. So I don't know if we're going to use, this one on another set of my favorite. They are the lovely labels, page on the catalog, page 15, and remove this there. So is a selection of numbers, labels, plain labels, so you can use your, I don't know, if you've got like a white jelly print, white jelly pen, you can write things on it. You've got some plain ones, you've got some you can use for your planner, flowers for your gardening, herbs for your kitchen. So I was trying to be quite generic with this. So I don't know if we're going to use some of this sentiment on these tags. I don't know what you guys think. I mean, I don't know if it's going to be too dark. Let's have a look. Put this back on the shelf. No, I think it's going to work. So let me zoom in my head, and I don't know how I'm going to do it. I want to put one of the flowers, okay, the big flowers, couple of those small ones, maybe somewhere there, and scissors. be, what should we get? Should we get Joy? I just want to show you what's happening in my brain, and you guys are not even in shot. Never mind, I'm just fussy cutting a label. So you guys think, see what you think. I mean, these labels, when I was designing them, I thought I want something that is versatile, so I can use this sort of labels in different projects. So something like that. Is it too much? You know me, more is more. Oh, I love it. What am I going to do actually to bring a bit of brown, because the labels I got them like a rusticy brown. I'm going to, once they're dry to this paper, I'm going to distress the card first, and then the last step will be using, oh god, I'm not looking forward to this, using this tool that I hate. If we're gonna put Annihilate, I can't stand it. I hate it. I hate it with the bottom of my heart, but I do like having Annihilate on my tag, so it's literally something that I got to use because I like the finishing of it. So rather than me boring you, make this video 95 hours long, this is kind of like my thinking process. I'm going to have a little go. We got 6. I need to cut 5 more labels. I'm going to cut, glue, and show you everything in just a moment. Okay, let's have a look one by one. I absolutely love them. I hope you guys do too. So this is the first one. So I just literally played with the flowers. I just put some threads, some ribbons in there. So yeah, so that's one. That is the second. It's probably my favorite, and I was trying to match the flowers to the color, so it's all kind of like blending together. There is that bit of yellow with that peach color, which is there is a bit of peach in there. So when I could, I was trying to, you know, to do a bit of mix and match in there. Number 3, that's probably my favorite. Beautiful. Yeah, she is a beautiful queen, and I'm just playing with some ribbons in there. The 4. Love this as well. I do like yellow and blue as a color combination. Yeah, just put the one little flowers with the bee. 2 more. That's 5. Precious. And again, I think those 2 colors blend really well. There's a bit of pink with the flowers. Yep. And 1 more, which is the king. What do you guys think? I love them. Just watch out, guys, because I'm going to gift some of these into the Friday freebie on Friday. So yeah, I thought I scanned, can't remember which ones, couple of those. So yeah, have a look on Friday freebie, so you'll be able to download them and, you know, do your own version. Right, guys, that is it for today. I hope you like these tags. If you did, please give me the usual big thumbs up, because that will support the video and the channel doing well. Guys, thank you so much for, honestly, your orders, your comments, your support. Honestly, I am a very lucky boy. It means everything to me, guys. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well.